The ten great critical ones. One Bible, one revelation, one God, one economy, one Christ, unsearchable riches, one Spirit, one application, one life, one element, one salvation, one saving way, one kind of living manifest, the life of the God-man, one testimony, one expression, one body, one organism, touch and make and fill Jerusalem, then great critical ones the highest being.